The following group study presentation is Social Perceptions Regarding Anthropogenic Climate Change. The study was conducted by Group 1 and its members, Caleb Cothran, Vanessa Clouston, Brady McMurtry, Baremo Mukama, and Mario Morales. Group 1 also created the following presentation. Recently, the U.S. and other governments around the world have taken action to prevent the spread of COVID-19. An unintended consequence of this was a vast decrease in society's carbon footprint. The purpose of this study is to better understand how people perceive humanity's involvement and responsibility in regards to both climate change and the environment. Many left-leaning individuals typically express greater importance of climate-related issues and stronger policy support. Agriculture and farmers have already seen the beginning effects of climate change, as observed climate data were mostly aligned with the farmers' perception with respect to temperature, rainfall, floods, droughts, and salinity. Another key issue in creating climate policies that was discovered is the problem of identifying agency, whether the capacity of institutions to act or the behavior of individuals. This is an issue because there is no multinational governing body that this directly falls under. After doing the initial research, our group hypothesized that those who identify either as conservative or Republican tend to be less likely to support government policies of intervention when addressing climate change. Our variables for the study included both political affiliation and socioeconomic status. The research data was collected through survey questions that were designed using a 5-point Likert scale. The data was collected about household income and individual political affiliation first before being focused on specific questions toward anthropogenic climate change. The qualitative and quantitative methods of data collection were conducted via the internet. Each participant responded and submitted their responses in a student portal. The data sample included 46 University of North Texas students enrolled in the BAAS program. The data that was collected was then analyzed using a bivariate table reconfigured to reflect the percentage difference in agreement of each political affiliation. The results showed a 20.8% difference between Republicans and non-Republicans in favor of climate change intervention policies. Therefore, our hypothesis was supported given the data we obtained. The results of this survey indicated how the attitudes of people towards global climate change are lower and that political intervention is higher when the government addresses the issues. The results gave insight to the significance for knowledge in understanding the environment surrounding each individual and how their direct involvement to conserve it must be placed as a priority. Therefore, we can conclude that the people's attitudes toward climate change can be influenced with political decisions and assist in the involvements on how to partake and resolve the world's climate change issues. Further areas of research for the future could include looking at this on an individual basis, such as an individual's willingness to adapt one's lifestyle in regards to addressing climate change. This could be useful to address unanswered aspects of our research to future audiences and add to the extensive volumes of literature regarding the science of climate change. In conclusion, our results supported our hypothesis towards political affiliation and climate change intervention. With the type of interval questioning that was utilized, we were able to obtain a thorough analysis of the data sample provided. This assisted us with the resulted conclusion on how an individual's attitude towards climate change can be influenced by the government's intervention methods within the topic.